Today I'll be sharing you some of the yoga poses that can relieve you from your stress and anxiety. Stress is a feeling of emotion or physical tension that lies in your nerves. Intense stress can lead you to heart diseases, high blood pressure, obesity, frequent cold and even body ache. So it is important that you practice yoga in your daily life. So before we get into this video, I would like to say that you can practice this yoga as per your comfort and limit. You need not push yourself hard and work on it. So let's get started. Begin with the child pose. Kneel on your mat, sit on your heels, inhale and extend your hands by touching the mat. Hold this for 15 seconds. It benefits your nervous and lymphatic system and it flexes your body's internal organs. It's highly recommended for people who have dizziness and it also alleviates your stress. Next, we'll move on to bridge pose. Lay on your back, knees bent, hands on the floor. Make sure your fingertips touch the heel. Press your hands and leg. Inhale and roll your spine off the floor. Hold this for 15 seconds. It gently stretches your back and leg. It improves your blood circulation and reduces anxiety, fatigue, backache and headache. Slowly release it. Extend your leg and get up. Next we'll move on to standing forward bend. Inhale and lift your hand. Exhaling, touch the floor. You can do this as per your comfort. Hold this for 15 seconds. This helps you in stretching your hamstring, thighs and hips. It releases any depression and stress. Next, we'll move on to eagle pose. For this, you need to extend your left leg and hook it around your right leg. Wrap your hands and arms by pressing the palms together. You can hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. It helps you relieve you from your lower back pain, improves balance and focus, and also gives you an increased blood circulation to all your joints. Next, we'll move on to extended triangle pose. Stretch your leg as per your comfort. Turn your right foot sideways and your left foot facing front. Spread your arms. Inhale and bend your right hand on the floor and the other facing top. Hold this for 10 to 15 seconds. It improves your digestion. It also gives you a full body stretch. It is an excellent stress reliever and it also helps in case if you have any symptoms of menopause. Next we'll move on to easy pose. Sit down, cross your leg, keep spine straight, palms touching your knees. Give equal balance. Now close your eyes and inhale and exhale. You can do this for 1 minute. This mainly helps you in promoting inner calm, eliminates anxiety, any mental strain, and it also smoothens your cerebrum. You can also do this by switching your leg, by bringing your left leg forward and balancing. Do the same thing. Close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Next we'll move on to head knee forward bend. From easy pose, roll in your right leg, extend your left leg, inhale and extend both your hands to either side of your left leg. Hold this for 15 seconds. It calms your brain, stimulates your liver and kidneys. It relieves any kind of stress, fatigue and mild depression. Release it and do it onto the other side in the same way. Next we'll move on to Nadi Shodhana. Place your thumb on your left nostril and ring finger on your forehead. Now slowly inhale and exhale for 5 to 10 breaths. It helps you calm your body completely. Sit straight and do this. Now place your ring finger on your right nostril and thumb on your forehead. Inhale and exhale for 5 to 10 breaths. It activates both the sides of your brain and it brings equal balance. It helps in lowering your stress, improves cardiovascular function, and it improves your lung functioning and respiratory endurance. Next we'll move on to humming bee breath. Sit straight, spread your finger as though it is wired your entire head. Now close your eyes, inhale and exhale with a humming sound like this. So you can do this for 5 breaths. The humming sound that's been made, it vibrates your nerves and helps relax your nervous system, and it activates body's built-in stress release. Last pose, we'll be moving on to corpse pose. For this, you'll need to lie flat on your back. Make sure that your hands and legs are not touching each other. Close your eyes and deeply relax. You can do this for 3 to 5 minutes. It puts your body completely at ease and emphasizes total relaxation. This pose can trigger deep rest on your body, like slow breathing, lowers blood pressure, and it quiets your nervous system. It releases all your tension, any sort of mild depression. Now slowly get up and we are done.
So this was a small video that I have shared with you all. I have incorporated all easy yoga poses so that even you can practice this in your daily routine. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.